is NOAA's weather radio. Key West 039 Chicago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over O'Hare Airport, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Oak Park, Glenview, Park Ridge, Elk Grove Village, Niles, Austin, Melrose Park, Maywood, Franklin Park, Norge, Elk Grove, Dunning, Portage, Melrose, Hardwood Park, Morton Grove, Bellwood, Schiller Park, River Forest, River Grove, and Harwood Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, Key West